greenhouse strawberries are flowering. Don't they know it's kind of winter outside? Hello everybody, I'm just a bird among the trees, and it has been a while and a lot has happened since I last did an update. So this video is gonna partially be one big ol' update to let you know what's going on around here. But first and foremost, we had to figure out over our 2 breaks how to take care of the greenhouse while we were gone. And as you can kind of see behind me, we had to come up with a pretty creative reusing existing resources solution. Over break, we are not necessarily going to be able to commit our duties the same way we have been doing in the log. So we need to make sure that these plants stay watered over break so that our months of work with these little baby strawberry plants, you can see we have flowers and it's really cute. And maybe we'll have strawberries on Christmas, which would be really fun. I tested all of these to make sure which one was most effective. Turns out that the jute rope is most effective, and this is how we're going to be watering over break. This is using an effect called wicking. Does anybody know what that is?
Yeah. Yes.
So I varied the rope. So I just made a loop of the rope like this.
Oh, that's what
and I set it down in the loop of string down in the soil and buried it, and it leaves a nice little wet patch. So if we take the loop and we were to, say, put it around a little plant, then the plant is going to stay watered while we are gone. I need one person to be cutting lengths of jute rope that are about this length because this seems to work. So Nava, there's scissors over there in the length of jute rope. You are going to be cutting the jute rope and then you are going to soak it this long. So use that as measuring.
I can help.
Next, I need everybody else. I have containers over there. Your job is to take the hose and wash out those containers. So fill them with water and then shake them up. 1 or 2 people, if you guys know of anywhere else there are containers that we can use, run off and see if you can find some more. The more we have, the better.
Check the kitchen.
Yeah, I have not checked the kitchen. Somebody do that. Okay, let's use those.
There's a kink right there. Hey, Jesse, can you get that kink? Oh, how many of these am I making? It worked!
Bunch.
Okay.
Wait!
That goes on the hell.
My only concern with those is that they'll evaporate away quickly.
That's good, that's good, that's good. That's good. Go there. Go there. That's good, that's good.
Just in the background screen.
We've done this all on the topsoil. Yes. Come back. What? Come back.
And away we go.
No, don't do that. This is not the clean water. Yes. What? This is the soaking water.
Hey, it's mine. Hey, it's mine.
Oh, this one has like the top.
That's okay.
Can I like? Call it.
Huh? Yep.
You'll drink actually as well.
Oh, Go wait. Here, Shaywan, I can bury it. No, I don't think so.
Oh my!
Hey!
There's a hole in the top.
On the here and the water to follow the rope like this.
Okay, okay. Alright. I will.
That's impressive.
That works.
I'm so worried about these.
Hey, Starbuck, you wanna play frisbee? Nope. I want you to work.
Oh my god.
You know, I'm kind of getting off to a fine
I
start.
don't
Well, it worked. Everybody survived, and these guys look like they're on life support, but we did have a minor catastrophe. We now have a hanging garden, but everybody's doing well. And check this out. Isn't this nuts? We're in the middle of winter, and these guys are flowering and making fruit. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. So the strawberries are actually doing very well, and we've got a whole bunch of actually little blushing baby boys coming on. And yeah, we did have the one bed that collapsed, and now just as of today, all of those strawberries are a little bit homeless until such a time as we actually fix said bed. We also have some new residents in the greenhouse. We planted some papaya seeds, and these papaya seeds are growing along beautifully. We'll be able to harvest some papayas hopefully in 2 years. As soon as 2 years. The papaya trees grow very, very quickly. We also adopted some other tropicals from people around campus, which are growing wonderfully in our firewood planters. There was a tree that fell down that was hollow, and we took the hollow pieces of the trunk and turned them into planters. We also got to view the Mercury transit. The Mercury transit is something that won't be happening for another 30 years, so that was really cool that we were able to see that. Okay, now have telescope pointed at sun, and here is my solar filter.
Whoa. Okay. That's the cool.
Yeah.
At first all you see is red, you have to really look at it.
Here, move your head around until you see the light.
I see the light, yeah.
I see Jesus.
Whoa. Whoa. That's weird.
It's a little black dot.
Just it's Mercury is tiny. The sun is gigantic and Mercury is tiny. It's a little baby tiny thing.
It's so small.
And then way back in the fall, we're now well into winter, we were able to check out the apple orchard. And we got to harvest some of the apples, and we made apple crisp for everybody, which was a lot of fun.
No, you aren't.
Okay, ground troops, be ready to be passed down some apples.
I'm on top of the world.
What? In the put it in
Apple.
the thing.
Where are you? Apple.
Here.
Apple. Apple. Okay. Doing this. Apple. Oh, alright. Okay. Now look. Ah! Get the apple, Axel. Alright.
That's
that
right.
apple any
Now
good?
we're done. Okay. No, don't throw the apple, Axel.
Pass it to Sharon, Axel.
Yes. Sharon has hands, surprisingly.
No way, I didn't know. Oh, that's such a good apple.
Apple. Hey, Sharon, take the apple from me.
Hey, here. If you just
Apple.
Wait.
Hey, where are we going?
Watch out for I know.
Okay.
Yep.
July 1990. Yeah, it's fun. You know,
Alright, people who are cutting, start cutting. Working on taking out the brown parts and the core.
Yeah, Cindy only milk are missing out.
And it's not really a classic.
Oh my god.
That is a classic.
And as long as it's a controlled hold, you won't have any
That's right. You would look like these apples.
You're like an unused chicken nugget.
Actually.
You get it? Just go in the freezer.
You don't have to go in the whole I don't. Now that's.
Golden, the camera caught you eating apple piece. The camera caught you eating apple piece.
I don't know what you're talking about.
We're finished by cleaning up everything, so all of the apple peel and apple cores we're going to put into the compost bin.
Which one? This one?
The biggest one.
Oh!
Hey, big boy.
The conquering of the world. Yes! We are control the nature. We mean the nature.
Sing them. That is a big radish.
Extra thick.
Is dummy thick.
What's going on the internet?
Look at this Sarah's hair.
Woohoo!
If she wants
Holy moly! Nathan has the mother load.
I think, look at that. Oh my god. You know what?
And then our most recent and probably the most complex project we have taken on so far is this. This is aquaponics. Now, if you don't know what aquaponics is, don't worry about it, because I will be seeing you in that next video. Bye! It's the middle of winter and we have strawberries fruiting. This is ridiculous.